All right, well, we got another project today. I will get to the trash can surround and finish that up as soon as it's not so hot outside. Hang tight and see what we got going on. All right, guys, so we want to do an accent wall. So very simple what we're going to do. This area right here, it's a really big area, but it's kind of bland. And we want to do something a little different. So as you can see, we've already stripped off. We have some kind of Art Deco mirrors and stuff on the wall, which we'll put back in the shelf. I'm going to have to pull that shelf off here in a second. But we are going to add trim on the top of the window going vertical all the way to the ceiling and also down at the bottom. And what we're going to do is we're going to paint right through here, well, right through here in a kind of a charcoal. So there'll still be a lot of difference between the air vent and the wall, and it should really make that shelf pop. But we just wanted something a little bit unique, a little bit different to break up the big wall here. So fingers crossed it doesn't look like garbage. We're about to get started. Wish us luck. Okay, Jana has cut in the verticals and up at the top and down here at the baseboard. I have got the trim pieces cut but not installed on the two top and bottom down here. I started painting the body of it because Jana is starting to work on painting the trim. So this is a sneak peek of what it's going to look like. I hate painting. Just letting you know, I hate painting. Jana's the painter. If there's lines in it, it's Jana's fault because she gave me the roller.
Hey, I'm over here painting trim.
I hate painting. All right, we got the trim up. Everything's caulked. We're gonna do a little bit of touch up. Not gonna bother you with that. I'm gonna pull this ladder down. We're gonna kind of clean up. Then we're gonna get the shelf, mirrors hung, put the things back, and we'll wrap this thing up. All right, everyone, we knocked it out. We are done. I hate painting. I hate caulking. We're done. Jana has a little touch up to do, not me, or anyway. We got the shelf put up, we got the mirrors put up, shelves back intact, all the knickknacks and stuff like that. We hope you enjoyed this accent wall. We'll talk to you soon.